no soy mazdero.
Hey, what's up guys? So guess what we have there? 12A for the pickup truck, all done, rebuilt. But first we gotta finish this project.
Como vine en Boca Vieja.
And also got a little present that came in today. I'm gonna open it up. This is gonna help me not miss third gear. Toma, Eric, graba.
Ahí está el regalo que le compré porque ya fallaba mucho cambio y pues, tú sabes, ya estamos cansados.
¡Oh! ¡La chapulina! ¡La chapulina! ¡Yeah! ¡Ay, chote! Oh, hey. Got the racing shoes. Lightweight, give me about 10 more horsepower and help me not miss third gear. It's a COLT, old school. ¿Qué año es?
76.
1976 COLT with the rotary swap. Carlos already rebuilt the engine. 13B. Eddie trying to do some work in here, trying to mount the motor mounts, align them. After we're done with this, then we're gonna put the 12A into the pickup truck. Engine bay is done on the pickup truck. Just waiting on them to bring it over here. But the paint on the outside body is not done. Mira quién llegó ya. Ay, Dios mío. All done with the motor installed. It's in. You just gotta put the radiator back on. Water coolant, hoses, distributor cap. Turn this thing back on. Connecting the drive shaft. Almost done. Put it back together. This is too good to be true. An original Turbo 2 original mint. When I mean mint, I mean mint. Original. Only has 73,622 miles. Original dash. Everything. Low miles, 2 owners. What sucks is not mine. No es mío. Beautiful car. El carro está bello. Original pintura. Original paint. AC works. No modification. Bone stop. ¿Ah?
que tiene modificado en el filtro. Aquí lleva una caja negra que dice el Mazda. No la tiene. La quitaron. Lo único. Lo demás está original.
The only thing it has aftermarket is just the filter. That little filter on the turbo. Original decals. You gotta love Florida. One day it's hot, the other day it's cold. Make up your mind, Florida. This is where we at. Engine in, alternator, radiator is in. So now it's time to fire it up. Gas is in. First start. See how it goes. Yeah. This is a spaceship. We gotta turn everything on. You ready? Oh, it's on. Let's get it. ¿Qué quieres? ¿Ah? Este. ¿Ah?
Sube un poquito aquí. Ahí, un poquito más. Sube para adentro. Un poquito para adentro. Ahí. Un poquito más.
Done with the COLT, the Mitsubishi, the Lancer. Now we're gonna bring up the pickup truck over here and start working on it finally. Engine bay is done. Now we're gonna put the engine in. Probably tomorrow. Once the engine is done and it's running, turned on, just like that one, Then the whole truck is gonna get painted. Body work has been worked on. A few more touch-ups. We're getting there. Poco a poco.